You're not gonna believe this ring. Look at that sucker.
Oh, sweet. Nice.
Yeah, but look.
Oh, it's got a stone in it too. It's a school ring.
I told you that was hitting.
That is a really nice.
Here, I'll let you clean her. It says 65 on the side.
Oh man.
Yeah. That was the best sounding signal I had all day. It was hitting 747, beautiful. 848. Damn. That's a nice.
You know, it was a good signal
yeah,
too.
And you know what? If there's a name on it, we're gonna find the owner.
Oh, that is awesome. Calgary, is that what it says? Oh, go ahead.
It says O'Leary High School.
Oh, O'Leary. Okay.
Wonder where that is. Oh, hopefully it's got a name on it.
Yeah, High School O'Leary. Yeah, you're right.
1965.
Good find.
Yeah, it came in really sweet. O'Leary High School. Oh, I wonder if there's a name in it. It doesn't look like there's anything on this. That's a shame. That's a nice ring.
Really nice.
Good weight to it too. Yeah, you know what? When we're done, I'm gonna clean this up. Wash it in the lake a little bit, see if there's any name on the inside. I hope there is. Be nice to return stuff like this. It's 50 years ago. Probably about 70 years old now, 80 years old, whoever wore this.